Hey everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with an unboxing video for you, and today I'm going to be unboxing a telescopic ladder that I picked up in Lidl. I didn't know, probably this time 2 months ago, that telescopic ladders were a thing. And I was on a shoot and the people on the shoot had one, and I thought this is brilliant because we have a ladder in our home that we need for things like accessing the loft, we need it for painting and decorating, we need it to clean the windows, not that we ever do that, but it's very big and it's always in the way. To store it, we have to kind of cram it into our cupboard where the boiler is, and it takes up a lot of space in there and it doesn't quite fit properly, and it's just really annoying. So it ends up being out on our landing where the loft access is all the time. So I'd had it in mind to get one of these since I saw it and thought it was such a brilliant invention. And then they popped up in Lidl. So let me just show you this is the advert that was in the magazine, and it was £79. You can see the chap here drilling away, and the ladder is nice and tall, and it's got a thick base there, so it's not going to topple over too easily as well. So let's just take a look at it and see what it's like. So this is the box. It is quite heavy. It's got the carry handle on the side. Let me show you. So if you did pick one up, you'd be able to get it home like that. This is one of those videos that probably a lot of my subscribers has got no interest in. But I like to mix things up on here. And I just think if I want something and I'm interested in something, or I've discovered something new because I've never heard of these before, then you guys might want to know about it too. So that's why I'm making this one. You know, maybe there is a lot of people out there that are into their ladders. Who knows? Right, so, right, let's get this bit out first. This looks like the base, and there's some sort of screws here that come with it. Now hopefully I can lift it out. Yeah, there we go. Oh, right, it is quite heavy, but I guess it is a long ladder. So this is literally all it is. So how brilliant is that you can get that tall ladder and you've got it down to that size. So this ladder, let me tell you some of the dimensions. So it says aluminium telescopic ladder. It's a big old manual for just a ladder, but I guess they want to make sure that you're using it safely. So I'll be having a good read of that to avoid anything dangerous, because the last thing you want to do is climb up a telescopic ladder and for it to collapse. So I think it's probably very important that you make sure that these are all locked out properly. But let's just have a quick look at the advert, because this has got the main dimensions on it. Yes, it's got a 5-year warranty, and I do find that Lidl are perfectly fine with returning things. I returned a salt crystal lamp that wasn't working and had no issue with that, so that's really good to know. It's 150 kilograms maximum weight, so I should be alright climbing up this. I think I'm under that. And it's retractable for space-saving storage. So yeah, I mean, this could fit in a cupboard, it could fit under your bed, I could even squeeze this under the sofa. So I know that many of us living in London, or probably many of us living anywhere in the world, are short of space. You know, you can never have enough. So it's great to know that this can be tucked away somewhere. So it says it's an extendable ladder, ideal for working outdoors and in small spaces. Sturdy and stable, I sound like Theresa May, with 11 wide non-slip rungs and an extra wide base for maximum stability. We're going to be stable on this ladder. Soft close technology to avoid trapped fingers when closing the ladder. Well, we like that. And its retracted length is 85 centimetres, so really not too big at all, and it extends to a height of 3.43 metres, and it weighs 11.5 kilograms. So all we need to do is attach the base. That's pretty straightforward. That goes in there, and then we've got the 2 screws. I guess that this piece of plastic's just redundant. I probably should be reading the instructions, but you know, I kind of know what I'm doing here. He says. These have got arrows on so you can see which way up they're meant to go, which is really handy. Let me know in the comments if you've ever put something together and it's been the wrong way up when you screwed it all in, because I honestly think that I've done that about 1 million, billion, trillion times. Right, so that's all sorted. So you can see it comes with this strap to keep it all together. So you just unclip that. So you start at the base, and you can see that these are red, which is a warning sign because it means that it's not locked So you can pull the first slot up and then it clicks and you can see that the red's disappeared. So you don't want to see any red there because that's going to mean it's danger. And then you just keep working your way up. Let's do the next one. So you can pull this up and let it click, and that, it just is really, really strong and solid, and you're good to go, and you can keep going for as tall as you want it. Do one more for you. There we go, so that, nice and solid, and you can have it any height you want. And then when you're finished, you just push these in. You hear it click. Ooh. So click it out. I don't recommend you put your hands through it, by the way. I'm just being an idiot. And then you can just put the strap back around it. And it can be packed away nice and small. You could keep this in a small area. And yeah, really, really good. So obviously, because this one's from Lidl, it doesn't always remain in store. It's something that's going to come back into store in the coming months. Keep an eye on my Instagram. If it pops back into store, I will let you know on my Instagram stories, so you can go and get yourself one. And I'm going to have a quick look on Amazon and have a look at some other options, and I will link those all below for you as well. So if you want to shop a similar thing and you need to get your hands on one now, I will find the most affordable and the best rated. Let me know what you think. Have you got a telescopic ladder? Would you consider getting one? Slightly random video, I know, for this channel, but I do like to keep you all updated on things that are happening in the house. And this is a big part of it, so yeah, hopefully that's okay. And all the usual videos will be coming very soon. I've got more plant stuff, more DIYs, more hauls, and more vlogs. So if those are your thing, they will be coming very soon, do not worry. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video or found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. And feel free to leave me any questions in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.